I think it's time to stop fucking around. I think it's time to find the real reasons as to why we're not successful traders. This channel is going to be all about making us consistent, finding the right tools and the right mindset to make us that at that level. We could all make winners, we could all make losers, but where's that consistency, bro? Huh? Where's that accountability? I think a lot of people like to blame time. Or it's a process. Oh, wait, I have to trust the process. Fuck the process, bro. It's an ego problem. It took me 8 months to be consistent. No cap. 8 months to get, maybe it took me the 8 months consistency, 10 months to get my first funded account. Okay? But my problem is I keep sabotaging my success. I have a good few weeks, and then in a couple of days, sometimes in one day, I blow up all of that profit. Every couple of weeks I do this, okay? And I'm just going to share with you a gem right now. I think I figured it out because I was able to bounce back a few weeks ago from something similar. I had a really good June, and in 2 days, I had 8 losses in a row. I blew most of my June's profit. What happened is that I was trying to avoid losses. Guys, no matter what strategy it is, no matter what probability of the setup is, we could lose. It could be market conditions, it could be news, blah, 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 whatever, it doesn't matter, okay? We will all lose. We have to accept that by now. How do we bounce back from that loss, okay? Do you start distorting market information? Do you start forcing trades, revenge trading because of that loss? You took that personally. That's the issue. It's not about taking losses, it's about how we bounce back from the losses. The next time you get a loss, be excited, because that's the opportunity to show if you're a real trader or not. Are you going to stick to the plan, keep doing what you got to do, or are you going to subconsciously, without you being aware of it, sabotage your trading? If you can bounce back from a loss, you made it as a trader, basically. Think about it. It's not about losing, it's about bouncing back. We could avoid losing streaks. In my backtesting, I'm a guru at backtesting. It doesn't mean anything if I can do it in the live market. I'm not even proud to say I'm good at backtesting, to be honest. But my point is, I don't have losing streaks in backtesting. Maximum 3 or 4 losses in a row. However, in the live market, it's a whole different story. So it's not the strategy that's making me lose this much. Next time we have a loss, we have to be excited because that's what I did. It worked. I was excited when I got a loss. It was an opportunity for me to show what I got. I was so patient. Oh my God, I think I had like 4 wins in a row after that. So it's going to be a very interesting channel. We're going to a unique perspective. We're going to drop a lot of gems. Going to cut through all the bullshit. About my trading background, I started 3 years ago. It was pretty fast for me to be consistent. Let me tell you fast why. I was fast to drop my ego, okay? A lot of people have the ego problem. Why was I fast to drop my ego? I would spend weeks, all-nighters on a strategy, getting data on a specific strategy. And then after a couple of weeks or a month or 2, I realized something's not working, something's not right. I need to drop it. A lot of people are not willing to drop things that they worked for a long time just because they're so attached, okay? I was very fast to drop things that wasn't working. I knew, oh my God, I wasted a lot of time, yes, but I didn't really because I'm not going to use that strategy, and I probably did learn something from it. So if you're working on something, it's not working, move on. You have to be willing to listen to what people are saying from their perspective, not from your perspective, okay? Understand what they're saying. That's why a lot of these gurus, people can't imitate what they do because it's not your fault. The guru is explaining things. He's not a teacher, right? These forex traders, they don't have a diploma in teaching. They're explaining things in their perspective. They're not trying to make you understand things in ways that you understand. So it's up to you to look at things from their mind, from their eyes, to understand what they're saying. I'm here to try to explain things in ways that you would understand without you. But why is it hard for you to imitate gurus? It's because when you listen to them, you compare them to you. But when you listen to them, there's no comparison. When you listen to them, observe everything from their eyes, okay? I know it's a bit tricky or confusing, but it's a good, if you really understand what I'm saying, it's going to help you a lot. So that's just an example of what's to come. I'm going to be taking a prop firm challenge. I'm going to be documenting every week, reviewing the performance, showing the trades and everything. There's going to be a ranting series, a lot of things to rant about. There's going to be psychology series. I have a couple of trading friends, might have some on podcasts and all of that. And to tell you quickly about my trading style, I am a Forex guy. I am a price action guy. Do not talk to me about indicators. That's a topic for another video, the ranting one. I don't believe in them. I mean, they work, okay, but price action is the way to go. Price action is king, and I'm the prince. So I think that I look at the 4 hour time frame. Sometimes I will drop to the 1 hour, never under the 1 hour. Why? More manipulation. It's easy to manipulate the lower time frames. If I had $100,000 and we go on the 5 second chart, I can manipulate that chart. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm explaining to you market manipulation. It's legal, but we could do it. If we drop on the lower time frames, like the second time frame, 5 seconds time frame, 10 seconds, 100K can make a difference. I'll set up a fake volume, like fake trend up, fake push, and just so I could get better price and fake people up, then I'll take the price down. That's market manipulation. That's easy to do on the time frames under 1 hour because you don't need a lot of capital. Like almost anyone could, not almost anyone, but anyone with a couple of million of dollars in the market can manipulate the lower time frames under the 1 hour. The higher time frames are harder to manipulate, so it's cleaner, more reliable, and I still get about 8 setups a week, 8 to 10 setups a week, even though I trade on the 4 hour. So it's not about people saying, "Oh, I'll catch more setups," and in the lower time frames. So I'm really a 4 hour time frame kind of guy. I would go higher to look at the trend. I would look at the 1 hour for entry. I'm a forex guy. Price action. I have a funded account. I was full time for a couple of months. I still am now, but to be honest with you, it's not going that well because I'm relying on income that I make from trading. So it's a bit stressful. So I need to learn to not let my emotions take control of my decision making. So I'm going to use this channel to make myself accountable. So every time I take a trade, I know I have to report to someone. I've been trying many ways to hold myself accountable. Let's see if this works. So thank you for your time. This was just wanted to give you a brief intro of what's to come and who I am, and it's going to be fun.